Eva,
Yes?
tenemos que ir para España, avanza.
I'm coming.
Estamos tarde, avanza. ¿Qué tú estabas haciendo ahí adentro?
Okay, everything is locked. Locked doors, alarm. Okay, put alarm. I put the key.
¿Y el equipaje?
It's in the car.
¿Tú estás segura? ¿Dónde está?
Oh, shoot.
Ah, ¿viste?
I thought you put it in the car.
Avanza. Se te ven las panties, no te las bajaste.
Oh.
¿A dónde vamos?
¡Ole! Para España. España. On our way to Miami right now. Miami Airport. And then from Miami Airport we fly, we take a direct flight to Spain. Madrid, baby. So yeah, pretty nervous and exciting. Our first international trip together. Nervous, but not looking forward to the 9-hour flight, but definitely looking forward to landing in Madrid. And this is awesome. I'm so excited and nervous. Oh man, this is insane. Hopefully this is the first of many.
Madrid.
Okay.
¿Dónde estamos?
In Madrid.
¿Ah, sí?
We're at the airport. Look at the beautiful views. Okay. Look at the sign. We're in Spain, dude. Watch your step. Follow the crowd.
Ahí estamos.
We're back in Madrid. Pretty excited. I'm tired. Just woke up. Remember this? The first time we came? Excited. Oh, I'm in the way.
Bueno, bebé, pero no van a...
Oh, I thought you were just gonna. This is our apartment in Madrid. Come, welcome. Here is the kitchen. It's well equipped. Marino, the owner of the apartment, he equipped it with some fruits and stuff and some muffins and like food for us, which is awesome. Okay, next. It's
Alright, now if you return here to your right, this here's the bathroom. The bedroom. It's a European style. It's small but very well put together. It's so awesome, I love it. And a little living room dining area, which is awesome. Look, the artwork on the walls. And we have a little balcony here. Hello, Spain! Madrid! Isn't it beautiful? I love, oh, you're too close. Down the street there. Good room. Small but so comfy. Pretty, everything's so nice and pretty and neat. I love it. There's artwork on the walls. And then behind you is the closet. Hey. So I'm absolutely this is our apartment in Madrid.
Hello! We're here at the Airbnb. It's our little kitchen. So Madrid is the central capital of Spain, and it's filled with artistic attraction, and that's thanks to the different styles that left their imprint on the city over the centuries. You have Gothic, Moorish, and Renaissance styles throughout the city. We fell in love with the romantic cobblestone roads and the beautiful architecture, the elegant boulevards. The Madrileños are very welcoming to tourists, and the food is absolutely to die for. We love Madrid. It is no wonder why we keep coming back to this beautiful city. El Palacio Real, or the Royal Palace, is the official residence of the Spanish royal family, but they choose not to reside in the palace. Instead, they choose a more modest palace on the outer skirts of Madrid, which kind of doesn't make any sense, because if you want to be modest and you're going to move from one palace to another palace, then that should kind of be an oxymoron. I mean, I think modest is like going from a palace to a 3-bedroom apartment with no yard. I mean, that's modest. But who am I to judge? Wait, I think I'm getting a little too carried away. Anyway, back to the video. You can actually tour inside this palace for about €8 per adult and about €5 for children 5 to 16 years of age, and any child under 5 years old is free. Wait, who's that hunk? Plaza Mayor. This is the central plaza in the city of Madrid, and the first level is filled with mostly restaurants, but anything above the first level is 3-story residential buildings having 237 balconies facing the plaza, and this plaza is even more beautiful at night. One fun thing that you can do here at Retiro Park is you can rent a rowboat for €8 a boat, not per person, for 45 minutes. And what we did was we rented this boat with our good friends Louis and Karen, and we went to the local food market first and we bought some cheese, some bread, some fruits, some wine, and we had a nice little picnic on this rowboat. It was so much fun. The weather was perfect. It was so beautiful and so relaxing. And we just had such a good time. Ay, que chuchi! Anyway, this is one of the awesomest things to do here at Retiro Park. So for about €35 per person, you can watch this flamenco show at Essential Flamenco. I have attached a link to the website in the description, and it is danced downstairs in a cave-like setting since the original flamenco is something more of a private dance with family and friends, and it is acoustically pleasing. One sangria drink is included. The show was so great that we came back 2 years later to the same place to watch a show again. So when you're in Madrid, go to Essential Flamenco and watch their flamenco show. It is amazing. We are now in Essential Flamenco, the same place we came 2 years ago because we just loved the show. So I think we got good seats.
Una pena, otra pena. Y un dolor, otro dolor.
Madrid has got to be one of the best cities to shop in because they have such awesome prices. And I love the bohemian style clothing. I mean, I always save my money for shopping in Madrid. This is the Atocha train station in Madrid. It's so pretty because it's got trees in there, and in the middle it's got a little pond with turtles in it, and they are so adorable. But anyway, for a few euros a day, you can actually rent lockers to store your luggage, which is convenient if you want to tour Madrid. And Madrid has several luggage storing facilities, but we use the one in the Atocha train station.
So I see you've been drinking some beer there lately, ever since we got into Spain.
That's true. Ever since we got to Spain, I guess I became a beer drinker.
It's called Mau, and it is the beer of Madrid, and it tastes just like a medalla. And medalla was the only beer that I could hack down because it's light, and this is like a medalla. And ever since Spain and Mau, I'm gonna become an alcoholic. So Madrileños are considered to be nocturnal. You can see even whole families outside late at night. There's so much to do and see even at night, but the best thing is to go tapas hopping. It's like bar hopping, but you're hopping for tapas, little portions of appetizers that is absolutely delicious everywhere you go. It is so much fun. And usually when you order a drink, you get one free tapas. So those were our trips to Madrid. Madrid is one of my favorite cities to go to. I love it for every single reason. The prices are great in Madrid. The people are warm. There's so much to do during the day and at night. The food is great. The style is amazing. I love the topography. I love the architecture of the city. Everything about the city is just amazing. I also love how you can tour the city on either bikes, electric bikes, or even segways. I love the accessibility to transportation. The metro is very easy to use. There's also taxis and Ubers, and everyone's just friendly in Madrid. The Retiro Park, there's so many things to do there. It is the biggest park in Madrid, and it is very beautiful. It will always be one of my favorite cities. And if you haven't been to Europe, then I would suggest going to Madrid. You would fall in love with it. And if you know the Spanish language, then that is perfect because you'll get around very easily. I encourage all to travel there. Airline prices to go directly to Madrid from Miami are great as well. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like and share and subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you on the next trip.